In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and use Chatgpt for Google Search. This extension brings the power of Chatgpt right into your Google Search experience, making it easier to see AI-generated responses alongside your traditional search results. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Chrome. If you're not already a Chrome user, you'll need to have it installed on your computer, since this extension is specifically designed for the Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome open, you'll head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can browse and add extensions that can enhance your browser's functionality. To reach the Chrome Web Store, you can simply type it into your search bar or go directly through Google's app launcher if it's available in your browser. Once at the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left to enter the phrase ChatGPT for Google. This is the name of the extension that will allow you to integrate ChatGPT directly into your Google search. As you type in, you might see a few suggestions pop up, but be sure to click on the one that explicitly mentions ChatGPT for Google to ensure you're adding the correct extension. When you find the right extension, you'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome or Install right next to it. Clicking this button will prompt a dialog box asking for your confirmation. By confirming, you are authorizing the extension to be added, which should only take a moment to complete. Once installed, the extension might open a new tab or display a notification to let you know it's been successfully added to your Chrome browser. After the installation, you'll likely need to log in with your OpenAI account for the extension to work properly. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. This account lets the extension access its AI capabilities, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. With everything set up, you can now perform a Google search just like you normally would. Type anything into the search bar and hit enter. As your search results populate, you'll notice something new. AI-powered responses provided by ChatGPT will appear alongside the usual Google results, enhancing your search experience with insights and information directly from the AI. And there you have it. This simple setup can truly transform the way you search the web, giving you a richer, more informed perspective with the help of ChatGPT's AI abilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new browsing experience.